Welcome back everyone, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. I arrive to the farm and I take a short walk, and I see a bunch of pigeons on the roadways and on the rooftops. My job is to help control the population, and this is the first shot of the day, 30 yards. Here is that shot through the scope cam. It's a good shot. It goes right over the wing or the neck area and into his back, and he's done. This shot occurs at about 50 yards. I'm taking my time and I'm scanning which pigeon is the best target for me to shoot. I eventually select one and I take it, and it's done. Let's see that shot through the scope cam. Here I am, scanning, looking, choosing a target. I eventually choose this guy here to the right, and I take him with a good neck shot. This shot occurs at 20 yards. This guy walked right into me, never saw me standing there, and I take him, and he's done. Let's take a look at that shot through the scope cam. Here we are. I wait for him to clear the cows, and he's done. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Here we are in slow motion. You can watch as the pellet strikes right into the neck, penetrating into the vitals, taking them out cleanly. I'm really liking these tracer pellets I made. You can see them really well. He's done. And here I was hoping for a 2-for-1. They were lined up perfectly, but the pellet did not get the penetration that I was hoping for. But anyway, this one is done. And here we are in the scope cam. You can see the alignment of the two pigeons, but it only penetrates and kills the first one, leaving the second one untouched. Lucky him. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Here in this shot, I'm prone again. I'm waiting patiently for a pigeon to clear so that I can take a good clean shot. There are mourning doves also walking around, and they're blocking my view of the pigeon. But they eventually clear and give me a good shot, and I take it. Here we are in the scope cam, that same shot. You can see the mourning dove, and you can see as the pigeon is moving around. But I'm targeting this one guy here, the dark colored pigeon, right about there, and the dove are in the way. But I do get a good shooting lane, and once I do, I take it, right about here, and he's done. This shot occurs at 55 yards. It's the last shot of the day and it's a doozy. I know this guy's solid. Flips him over on his back, feet to the sky, and he's done. So here we are in the scope cam. You'll see this shot nails this guy right in the neck and it penetrates into his vitals. Flips him over, feet to the sky stretched out, and he is done. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.